Alright, about to use this OmniShaver, already lathered up. I love this thing. Got it about 2 weeks ago. I'm still not as quick as I probably should be because I'm used to using a single blade double edge. But I do love this thing. It's convenient, it's great. I've been shaving my head for so long that it's still just second nature to me to hurry up and wash it under the sink, which you don't have to, which is really cool. And it all catches in the back, but it's great. So let's give it a whirl. And we're done. And it's all collected. Let me just rinse this off. Feel around for anything I probably missed, but the head is shining.